From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us here on CNET. I'm Brian Mastro for the Penn State Campus Weather Service, here with your forecast for the State College area. Starting out by taking a live look outside right now at Beaver Stadium. We do have quite a nice day here in State College. We're currently coming in well above our average temperature for this time of year, where we currently have a temperature coming in at 55 degrees. However, we are still a little bit windy. Not as windy as we were yesterday when we were sustained into the 30s, gusting into the 50s, but we're still a little windy, coming in at 15 miles per hour right now. However, change is on the way, and currently we do have winter weather advisories up for much of Pennsylvania, especially the central swath of Pennsylvania, for your day tomorrow, and that snow will be arriving later tonight and sticking around throughout tomorrow morning, and we'll have all the details on that coming up in just a bit. But first, we'll take a look at the temperatures around the center region. It's hard to believe that we're talking about snow tomorrow when it's this warm outside right now. We currently have Carlisle coming in 66 degrees, and other than that, mostly the mid to upper 50s across the central region of Pennsylvania, and even warmer down in the southeast with Harrisburg 64 and Philadelphia coming in 67. However, we do see a little bit of cooler air up in the northwest, with Erie coming in at 36 and Bradford coming at 39. And they're actually currently dealing with some lake effect snow right now up in Erie. You do see that flow coming in right off of Lake Erie, bringing some snow, and then even some rain to areas just a little bit further south of Erie. And other than that, the state's pretty clear, and we're going to take a look at our eye in the future to see what exactly we're going to be dealing with over the next day or so. We do see this snow begins to work its way into Pennsylvania overnight tonight, coming in from the southwest. Just a little bit after midnight, it'll be impacting a lot of the central region of Pennsylvania as well, and then that'll be sticking around throughout much of the overnight hours. And then going into tomorrow morning is when it'll begin to be working its way out, just as you're beginning to start your day. However, going into tomorrow afternoon, show's not over. We'll have the wind start coming from the northwest, which could bring us some even more snow from some lake effect snow showers, potentially even some snow squalls like we had here last week. Hopefully not as bad last week, which caused multiple accidents all across I-80 and I-99. And then those will clear up going out through the rest of your day on Friday and into the early morning hours on Saturday. So here's your forecast for tonight. We'll go down to around 30 degrees tonight. We're going to start off with the potential for some rain showers early, then transitioning to all snow later on in the overnight hours. And then going into your day for tomorrow, we'll have that snow, especially in the morning, when it'll be kind of sustained snowfall for a couple of hours. And then going into your afternoon, when we'll have some scattered snow showers and some snow squalls. And it'll get a little bit windy again tomorrow, with those winds coming in 10 to 15 miles an hour and some gusts as well coming in around 25. And we'll only have a high temperature of around 34 degrees tomorrow, so about 20 degrees cooler than we had today. So what exactly are we looking at in terms of the snowfall? We're looking at 3 to 6 inches for most of the Commonwealth, a little bit less in the northern and southern tiers of Pennsylvania, but overall 3 to 6 inches is the best bet for most of Pennsylvania. Could see a little bit more in the Laurel Highlands and some of the higher elevations, so do keep an eye on that if you live in some higher elevations. No matter what, though, if you're going to be traveling tomorrow, please do be careful if you're out on the roads for sure. And then looking ahead at our 7-day forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, after tomorrow's snow, we do see it gets cold. We're at 55 today, and then we're dropping 20 degrees less for your day tomorrow. And then look at those overnight lows. We have 14 degrees going in from Friday into Saturday, and then those high temperatures this weekend not even making it out of the 20s. And then going into the start of next week when all the students return, we do have another chance of snow starting Monday night and going into Tuesday. So make sure you do stay tuned to the Penn State Campus Weather Service for all of the latest information regarding early next week's snow and, of course, tonight and tomorrow's snow. So make sure you do follow us on Twitter at PSU Weather to stay up to date with all of the latest information. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.